Okay, here's a brief intro to variables and conditionals in Java. The most important thing about Java, and actually a lot of programming languages, is recognizing that every variable has a name, type, and value. So here, cookie count is the name of a variable, the type is int or integer, and its value is 2. So check it out. Cookie count, pumpkin count, and elephant count all have the same type. And then you'll notice that pumpkin count and elephant count all have the same, or both have the same value. So the key thing is that every variable has a name, type, and value. And in particular in Java, we have to think a lot about what that type is. We're going to be able to create variables that are Boolean, like here I'm setting the variable is awesome to be true. And then we're going to have regular-ish looking if else style conditionals. So let's look at a concrete example. Here's an example taken from CodingBat. So inside there, you see my if and my else statements, and then the double bars mean or, and double ampersand sign means and. You'll see that my method isLucky returns a boolean. So there I'm specifying that it returns a boolean. My method isLucky is expecting an int as input. So when I call it, I have to pass it an int, and that input will be set as the value of the variable number. That percent sign is modulo, in case you haven't seen that, and that's just what is the remainder divided by 10 in this case. When you look at this code, did you notice that actually the if statement isn't necessary? I could just say return number equal 18, or number equal 21, or number mod 10 equal 0. I think those unnecessary if statements are super common, and frequently I'll write them the first time, but then it's helpful to go back and look and be like, oh, actually I could just return this value. As a practice, try writing sign, where it's going to return -1 if the input is less than 0, 1 if the input is greater than 0, and it'll return 0 if the input is 0. Pause the video and try and write that in Java, even just on paper. Hopefully you tried it in Java, and here's the solution so you can check your work.